What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video out here from Six Flags over Texas. And today I am out here in front of Tormenta Rampaging Run watching some testing going on. This is my first time being able to watch some testing. They just sent the train about 5 times. It's been a couple minutes since they sent the last one, but I'm hoping that they send some more soon. As I walk up to the park today, it does look like they're putting in a huge fence here at Tormenta. You can see all those posts sticking out of the ground over there. They are actively working, so this area will hopefully turn into a place that people can walk, because looks like they're putting new dirt and drilling things maybe for a parking lot. So we'll have to wait and see. Oh my goodness, it's cycling. As you guys can see, they have decked out the front entrance plaza with this nice blue, silver, and white decorations for the 65th anniversary. They've got brand new signs all around the park for historical attractions, and we're gonna go check out one on the Silver Star Carousel right now. Silver Star Carousel is celebrating its 100th birthday this year. As you guys can see, it opened and operated in Long Island, New York, and Six Flags bought it in 1962. And it has been here ever since. And then, of course, along with the anniversary signs, they have placed a lot of these then and now signs around the park showing old images of different rides. So this is what El Sombrero looked like back in the day. And of course, it's placed right next to El Sombrero today. The newly refurbished gift shop has now reopened with some brand new Tormenta Rampaging Run merchandise. Starting over here, we have this Tormenta logo design with the bull and Six Flags over Texas in many different colors and styles, especially the brown pullover hoodie, the tank top, the shirts. Not only that, we have this brand new hat, green, gold, and white. It actually looks pretty good. The gold on green really makes the logo pop. We have this design on many different shirts. It kind of looks AI, but I don't think it is. It looks too detailed for it to be AI generated. Nice black shirts with the Tormenta logo on them. This bag, and I'll get to that logo design here more in a minute. We have this design, which is kind of weird because it's like on the side. I don't know if that's normal, but it must be. And of course, we have this design right here, which is a little weird because of the boomerang track that's from the Cobra roll. Other than the boomerang track, it is a pretty nice design. And we have this design, which is personally my favorite. We got the bull eyes, the full layout, and the logo, of course, and that's printed on pullover hoodies, more hoodies, shirts, even some kids' shirts, and some black, just normal black t-shirts. I didn't actually see this one. Here's a green pullover hoodie with that Cobra roll design, and some more of the shirts with the eyes design, and of course, some more of the Tormenta logo, brand new Tormenta logo shirt designs. And we have this nice green and gold polo shirt over here, which is $92. That is pretty steep. If you're looking for some brand new Tormenta merch, this is the place to be. And of course, the 65th anniversary decorations continues over into Boomtown and the Six Flags Over Texas Mall, Six Flags Universe. And as we walk further, you can also see that they have kind of made some changes to the banner and the mural they have for Six Flags Over Texas. The overall design looks the same, but of course they have the Six Flags Over Texas 65th logo, the 2026, and celebrating 65 years of fun at Six Flags Over Texas. It's a very low-flying plane over by Tormenta. I have a brand new sign out here, out front of the gate. Oh, here comes another cycle. That's going to do it for today's video out here from Six Flags Over Texas. I was only able to get about 5 cycles on camera. Right as I pull up to the park, they started cycling, which is actually pretty lucky. But they only cycled about 5 trains before they stopped cycling for the rest of the day, or at least until I left. Like I said earlier, there will be a full video coming out tomorrow of all of the raw footage that I got today, so stay tuned for that video. But thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day. See ya.